Welcome back to City Foodie Farm. Today, I want to share just a quick, easy, cheap recipe with you. We are going to be making curried potatoes with sautéed kale. I love kale, and I always have potatoes, so I wanted to share something very simple. But before we get started, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this recipe, please give us a thumbs up. And I will go over all of the ingredients and I will list them below. You will need some sliced potatoes, onions, ginger, and garlic, and a pile of kale, and you will also need some spices. You will be using some curry powder, turmeric, cumin, and salt and pepper. So grab your sauté pan, and you'll want to put about 3 spoonfuls of coconut oil. And once it's melted, you can toss in your potatoes. You'll want to cook your potatoes on medium heat until you see some color. And once you notice some color and they look to be done, you will want to sprinkle in your seasoning and continue to sauté and mix them around. Make sure all of your potatoes are coated in that delicious spice. And now move your potatoes to one side. You will be adding in your ginger, onions, and garlic. And once they sauté for a little bit, you can mix everything together. And now grab that big pile of kale and you'll want to sprinkle it in. Kale does cook quickly, so that's why you want to add it at the end. You want to have these crispy potatoes with all the fun spices, and the kale is just cooked perfectly. It's not too soggy, it's just right. So when it's all done cooking, you can serve it with chicken or just by itself. We recently made it and we had some leftover rice, so I just threw it in with the rice. And it was actually a really good meal and really cheap. So if you're looking for some of those, budget meals, the potatoes and kale is a great cheap meal. Easy, cheap meal. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy cooking.